We are Nikki and Hayden, the creators behind Journey More. Recently, we've been traveling to the most unique and amazing Airbnbs, and now we have a major life update.
We're moving! We are actually moving out of the house we live in right now, and our plan is to buy a Sprinter van, convert it ourselves, and travel full-time for the next year. So if you know anybody who can help us find that type of van, please let us know because we would love that. But for now, we are headed to Nashville to test drive and get a feel for what our new home is going to be like.
Go! Our plan is to continue to bring you new Airbnbs every week, along with our adventures that we find in our new van.
Woo! Let's go! And we're also gonna be filming and making videos of the conversion of our van. So if you wanna see that process, be sure to subscribe. We're the newest van lifers on the block, so our journey starts now.
The most exciting part about this new journey is that we'll be able to expand outside of the Southeast and travel all over the United States.
We are at the Mercedes dealer. We're gonna be test driving Mercedes Sprinters, Ford Transits, and Dodge ProMasters to get a feel for each to figure out what we're actually going to buy.
So excited.
Now this is super fancy. You can hear the echo.
So we are driving just an empty cargo. Oh, it's doing something.
Oh gosh.
Just take it easy, baby.
Oh, I know. This is crazy.
Is it not crazy? Hey, this is fun.
I will say, this is like driving your car.
Is it?
Just so far. Obviously, we're not going fast, but...
You look good in that seat, baby.
Thank you.
This will be us one day.
I know. It's like a blend between your car and my truck.
Really?
Yes, I like it. I'm like being extra careful.
I know.
This is not what we're buying. We're just test driving to get a feel.
It's like we're in a fishbowl, like you can see everything.
It's almost like you're flying.
It's like you're flying, but you're driving. It's amazing.
It's crazy.
I could live in this full time. I mean, we're going to, so.
Yeah, this would be so fun to drive across the country.
Yes.
I see why people like this.
Look who's back there. Hey,
Definitely getting one with windows though.
Yes,
That's
because
for
the
sure.
inside is a little dark with that is. Then these swivel, which was amazing. We are in love.
That was a great experience, very helpful. If you're interested in going this route, definitely just go test drive, ask questions, because you will learn a lot.
Also, the man at the dealership is very helpful.
Yes, very helpful. Now we know the feel of the Sprinter. It drives so smooth. The 170, which is the longest one, I could definitely drive that every day.
I could probably drive it too.
I think you could drive it too. We're gonna try some Ford Transits as well, try the long version of that, see how that drives, and then make our decision from there. We had a great time test driving and looking around at different vans today. We will keep you updated on our search and when we actually find the van and start building it out. We are so excited for this new journey and new season. But for now,
Come journey more with us,
and we'll see you next time.